Students, today we will study the molecular orbital theory. Molecular orbital theory, it is the rational theory, a rational and useful theory. It was put forward, it was given by Millikan and Hunds. It was given by Millikan and Hunds in 1932. The assumptions, or we can say what are the main points of the theory. It says that atomic orbitals combine they lose their, and this is the main point, they lose their identity and form a new orbital, which is called the molecular orbital. Now atomic orbitals combine, lose their identity and form a new orbital. That orbital is called the molecular orbital. Molecular orbital is the energy state of the molecule. It is the energy state of the molecule, in which electrons are filled, as atomic orbital is the energy state of the atom. Atomic orbital is the energy state of atom, in which electrons are filled. That means molecular orbital is energy state and electrons are filled in the atomic, in the same way as in the atomic orbital is the energy state of field in which electrons are filled. Now in terms of probability, molecular orbital gives the electron distribution. Molecular orbital gives electron distribution probability under the group of nuclei. Under the group of nuclei. That means molecular orbital is polycentric. And atomic orbital is unicentric. In terms of probability, molecular orbital gives the electron distribution probability under the group of nuclei. That means in case of the molecular orbital, electrons are under the influence of group or two or more nuclei, and that means molecular orbital is polycentric, while as atomic orbital is unicentric. Now only those atomic orbitals combine which have comparable energy. Keep it in mind, which have comparable energy and they have proper orientation. What does it mean? That means, for example, if 1s orbital, it has 1s orbital of one atom can combine with 1s of other atomic orbital. 2s atomic orbital can combine with 2s atomic orbital of another atom, or s orbital can combine with pz orbital, because pz comes along the internuclear axis, and it cannot combine with px or py. For example, 2pz orbital can combine with 2pz, but not with px and py, because of the energy. 1s orbital has one atom, 1s orbital has comparable, it has equal energy of 1s. 2s can combine with 2s because of energy, and 2s can combine with pz because of the orientation, because pz comes along the internuclear axis, and 2pz can combine with 2pz, not with px and py, which are not on the internuclear axis. Now the number of atomic orbitals formed, the number of मॉलिक्यूलर ऑर्बिटल्स फॉर्म्ड, कितने मॉलिक्यूल ऑर्बिटल बनते हैं, नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल ऑर्बिटल्स फॉर्म्ड इज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल्स combined. For example, if one orbital of one atom and one orbital of another, for example, एक ऑर्बिटल एक एटम का और दूसरे ऑर्बिटल का दूसरे एटम का दूसरा ऑर्बिटल combined, so there are two orbitals, so two molecular orbital will be formed, that is number of molecular orbital formed will be equal to the atomic orbitals which combine. For example, when if two atomic orbitals combine, अगर आपके पास दो एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल कंबाइन होते हैं, then two molecular orbitals will be formed. Two molecular orbitals will be formed. One orbital will be called bonding molecule orbital. Bonding molecule orbital. When two atomic orbitals combine, they form two molecular orbital. One we call bonding molecule orbital, and this has lower energy. This has lower energy. Another will be called antibonding molecule orbital. Another bonding orbital will be called antibonding molecular orbital, which has higher energy. Bonding orbitals जो होते हैं, they are represented by bonding orbitals or represent bonding molecular orbitals जो हैं उनको हम represent करते हैं by means of sigma, by means of pi, by means of delta. And antibonding molecule orbitals are represented by sigma asterisk, pi asterisk, and delta asterisk, and so on. The shape of the orbital, अब देखते हैं shape of the molecule orbital. Shape of the molecule orbital जो आपका बनता है molecule orbital, that depends upon shape of the atomic orbital. That depends upon the type of combining orbital. The shape of the molecule orbital formed depends upon the type of atomic orbital. Type of atomic, कौन सा atomic orbital combine हो गया, and that will determine the shape of the atomic orbitals. And electrons जो हैं in the molecular field, electrons in the molecular orbital जो होता है, इसमें जो electrons are filled according to the rules, according to the Hundredth rule, according to the Abba principle, according to the पुलुस एक्स जो पुलुस जिस तरह एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल में आप इलेक्ट्रॉन फिलअप करते हैं, इसी तरह इलेक्ट्रॉन्स मॉलिक्यूल ऑर्बिटल में फिलअप कर सकते हैं. नाउ वी कैन एक्सप्लेन दिस मॉलिक्यूल ऑर्बिटल जो हम थ्योरी जो हम एक्सप्लेन करते हैं बाय मींस ऑफ LCAO थ्योरी, लीनियर कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल्स के हिसाब से हम इसको एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, we consider electron as a wave. Now if we consider electron orbital जो है आपके पास जो orbital है, that is a wave. So waves, for example, एक atom एक wave, for example एक wave, उसका wave function, for example atom A इसका psi A है, दूसरा wave उसकी psi B है wave function, that psi A means amplitude. For example, this is the one wave and this is the another wave. So ये इसका क्रस्ट है और ये भी इसका क्रस्ट है, ये ट्रफ्ट है, ये ट्रफ्ट है. So when crust of one wave combines with the crust of another, when crust of one wave coincides with the crust of another, this wave is called in phase. So combining waves can be in phase or out of phase. In phase तब होते हैं when crust of one wave and crust of another wave they are in coincide. That means resultant wave जो आपकी आती है, that will be a bigger wave. This is called a constructive phase. That means when the atomic orbitals, which we consider as waves, when they are in phase, when they combine, the resultant wave will be a bigger wave, which will be called a constructive wave. There will be additive effect. Similarly, if the two waves, they are, for example, this is one wave. Now if the two waves are out of phase means when the crust of one and trough of one, for example, this is crust, this ये इसका ट्रफ आ गया एंड इसका ट्रफ इसका क्रस्ट आ गया. सो दीज टू वेव्स आर आउट ऑफ फेज. ये ट्रफ्ट ये इसका ट्रफ्ट आ गया, ये इसका क्रस्ट आ गया, दीज आर आउट ऑफ फेज. सो इसका मतलब है these are out of phase. That means there will be destructive phase. This is called a destructive phase. That means resultant wave जो है that is a smaller wave. So combining waves, when we consider atomic orbit as a wave, the waves can be in phase or out of phase. In phase means when the constructive phase takes place, when the crust coincides with the crust, and the resultant wave is a bigger wave. And destructive phase, out of phase means when the crust of one and the trough coincides, and यानी opposite, अगर crust को हम positive लेंगे, trough को negative दिया तो is the subtractive effect. That means the resultant wave will be a smaller wave. So waves we consider, for example, constructive phase takes place when there is symmetric combination. For example, if we take psi two atom A and atom B, atomic orbit now it is इसका psi A इसका wave function है और दूसरे का wave function psi B है. Now these can combine. If they combine symmetrically, I will write it, so that will be psi symmetric. Psi symmetric में क्या होता है? Additive effect. That means psi A plus psi B. तो अगर यही wave out of phase आ गई तो उसको हम लिखेंगे psi asymmetric. Psi asymmetric will be psi A minus psi B. अब ये है in phase, when the waves are in phase, इसमें हम constructive phase लिख देंगे. तो psi A and psi B इसको लिखिए out of phase. When they are out of phase, that means there is destructive phase. Here additive effect takes place and here subtractive effect takes place. Now in case of first equation, this is the second. In first equation we know psi symmetric is equal to psi A plus psi B. Since psi has no physical equivalence, so we will square this equation. So that will be psi symmetric square is equal to psi square A plus psi square B plus 2 psi A psi B. इसको हमने स्क्वायरिंग कर लिया. For example, it is psi symmetrical square is equal to psi square psi A plus psi B होल स्क्वायर. तो मैंने इसको स्क्वायरिंग को खोल कर दी, इसको अप्लाई फॉर्मूला लगा दी. दैट इज साई सिमेट्रिक इज इक्वल टू साई स्क्वायर ए प्लस साई स्क्वायर बी प्लस 2 साई ए साई बी. दैट मीन्स, इसका मतलब है साई सिमेट्रिक मीन्स साई स्क्वायर सिमेट्रिक मीन्स प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ फाइंड द इलेक्ट्रॉन इन द मॉलिक्यूलर ऑर्बिटल फॉर्म्ड बाय द सिमेट्रिक कॉम्बिनेशन. अब देखिए साई सिमेट्रिक इज इक्वल टू साई ए प्लस साई बी psi square A plus psi square B plus 2 psi AB. That means psi square symmetric जो है is greater than psi square A plus psi square B. उसका मतलब है probability of finding the electron. This is the molecular orbital. Probability of finding the electron in the molecular orbital formed by the symmetric combination. Go probability, PRO, probability of finding electron in the molecular orbital formed by symmetric combination. Probability of finding the electron in the molecular orbital formed by the symmetric combination is greater than probability of finding electron in either of atomic orbit. That means सिमेट्रिक कॉम्बिनेशन में जो आपका मॉलिक्यूलर ऑर्बिटल बन गया, जब आपके वेव्स आउट इन फेज आ गई, तो जो मॉलिक्यूलर ऑर्बिटल बन गया उसमें इलेक्ट्रॉन फाइंडिंग प्रोबेबिलिटी ज़्यादा है एज कम्पेयर टू इन द एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल्स. तो ये जो ऑर्बिटल आप बन गया बाय सिमेट्रिक कॉम्बिनेशन, इसको हम लिखेंगे इट इज़ कॉल्ड बॉन्डिंग मॉलिक्यूलर ऑर्बिटल. It is called bonding molecular orbital. So bonding molecular orbital जो है, इसकी energy होती है that is lower. You know it is formed by the additive effect. So it has lower energy. क्योंकि ये additive effect से बनता है, so it has lower energy. That additive effect means that it is formed as a result of attraction of the electrons. This molecular orbital is formed as a result of additive effect. That means it is formed as a result of attraction of the electrons. अब दूसरा जो है psi asymmetric जो था is equal to psi square psi A minus psi B is equal to psi A minus psi B. तो हम इसको स्क्वायरिंग करके that is equal to psi asymmetric square is equal to psi square A plus psi square B minus 2 psi A psi B. That means psi square is equal to psi A minus 2 psi A psi B. That means psi square asymmetric जो है is less than psi square A plus psi square B. What does it mean? That means probability of finding the electron in this orbital, this is by formed by the asymmetric combination, that means by the subtractive effect, is less than the probability of finding the electron in the atomic orbitals. So I will write it. So probability of finding the electron in the molecular orbital. अब ये भी molecular orbital है, formed by asymmetric combination, is less than the probability of finding electrons in the atomic orbitals. That means उसका मतलब है जो asymmetric combination है में से हमारा जो molecular orbital बन गए उसमें electron finding probability कम है as compared to the atomic orbitals. So ये जो orbital बन गया इसको हम लिखेंगे anti-bonding molecular orbital. So इसका मतलब है इसमें जो waves थे वो out of phase थे. So out of phase जब बन गए तो इसमें आपका जो effect था that is called it is formed by the subtractive effect. That is it is formed by the subtractive, that it is formed by the in this molecular orbital it is formed as a result of repulsion. वहाँ पर इलेक्ट्रॉनों की repulsion होती है. So energy इसकी जो होती है that is high energy, इसकी energy high होती है. Bonding orbital की energy less होती है and एंटी बॉन्डिंग की एनर्जी होती है हाई. सो ये अनस्टेबल होता है और बॉन्डिंग ऑर्बिटल जो होता है दैट इज स्टेबल. सो हमारे पास दो ऑर्बिटल आ गए. एक तो आ गया बॉन्डिंग ऑर्बिटल, दूसरा आ गया एंटी बॉन्डिंग मॉलिक्यूलर ऑर्बिटल. अब बॉन्डिंग ऑर्बिटल जो है bonding orbital it is formed by the symmetric combination of atom orbital. So it is formed by the additive effect. Bonding molecular orbital is formed by the additive effect and anti-bonding is formed by the subtractive effect. अब anti-bonding bonding orbital it has lower energy. अब anti-bonding जो है it has higher energy. So bonding orbital it is stable while as anti-bonding is unstable. सो ये है बॉन्डिंग और मॉलिक्यूलर ऑर्बिटल. इसका मतलब मैं आपको बताऊं, इफ आई विल टेक दिस इज द एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल फर्स्ट, दिस इज एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल सेकंड. नाउ दे विल कंबाइन. फर्स्ट they will combine in the, for example they will combine, they form the first, it will form the bonding orbital and then they will form the anti-bonding molecular orbital. So this bonding orbital it is formed by the, if it is SS orbital, so it will be sigma s and it will be sigma s trax s. So this is bonding orbital, it has lower energy. This is anti-bonding orbital, this is higher energy. Rest we will study tomorrow.